Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you 5 top applications you should have or you must have on your Android TV in 2025. This is going to be an interesting video, so watch right up to the end to see all the 5 applications I want to show you. I'm also going to be showing you how to install these applications to your Android TV. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video for more videos like this. So as I said earlier, I want to show you 5 top applications you should have on your Android TV. These applications will make up of streaming application, players, and also live sport and the rest. So just watch right up to the end of the video to see all the applications I'm about to show you and also how to install them. So to start, here are the applications you must or you should have on your Android TV. The first application is FlixVision. So if you are someone who is interested in streaming movies on your Android TV without any subscription, then FlixVision is an application you should install. It's very interesting and very nice application for movie streamer on Android TV. If you want to stream applications but you don't want to use Netflix, FlixVision is your application and you should install this. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to install FlixVision, so keep on watching. The next application that you should have on your Android TV is Spotify. So if you're a sports fan, you're someone who loves watching sports and you want to stream sports on your Android TV without any subscription, then Spotify is the application for you. It helps you to stream live sports, all types of sports, football, hockey, and all types of sports. You can stream it with Spotify. So I'll also be showing you how to install Spotify to your Android TV. The next application I'll be showing you is TVMate. TVMate is an interesting application, and what TVMate does is that it is a player where you can add channels to unlimited movies, sports. You can add channels to TVMate and play or stream movies, sports on your Android TV, documentaries on your Android TV without any subscription. So TVMate is very nice. It's a very nice application. I use it often too. You just have to add a channel subscription or a channel. You can go to the internet and search for free TVMate subscription or free TVMate channels, and you get a lot of them. You just have to add a TVMate and start enjoying unlimited channels. The next application I would recommend you having on your Android TV is SmartTube. If you are someone who loves watching YouTube videos a lot, you can use SmartTube to watch YouTube videos and you won't have any problem of ads. So SmartTube is a player that helps you to watch YouTube videos. So these applications, I'm going to be showing you how to install them lately. Now the last application I want to recommend you is a player VLC. For me, VLC is the best video player on Android TV or any Android device. There are other players like MX Player, but I love VLC. It's just the best player. So VLC, if you have an Android TV, you should have VLC on your Android TV. So as I said, I'm going to be showing you how to install all of these 5 apps. We have FlixVision, we have VLC, we have TVMate, SmartTube, and Spotify. Now also there are other ones, but I want to focus on this. I'm also going to show you a bonus application you should have on your Android TV. So to install this application, we need an application called Unlinked. Unlinked is a third-party application that when we add a library to it, it helps us install applications to our Android TV, and I'm going to show you everything step by step. Just follow this video and do not stop watching. So to install all these applications, we need Unlinked. For us to install Unlinked to Android TV, we need an application called Downloader. Now Downloader is another application that you should have on your Android TV. The reason I didn't talk about it earlier because I believe that every Android TV user knows about Downloader. Well, if you don't know about Downloader, you don't have it on your Android TV, there is a link in the description that I've attached that is going to help you to install Downloader to your Android TV. It is a very important application and it helps you to install applications to your Android TV without Play Store. So if you already have Downloader, just go ahead and launch it. If you don't have it, check the description of this video for a link to help you install Downloader to your Android TV. After installing Downloader, what we want to use Downloader to do, we want to use Downloader to install Unlinked application. Now just a side, you can also use Downloader to install all the 5 applications I just showed you using codes. Though it's just going to be a long journey, but it is possible. So to do that, there is a video on my channel that's going to show you top downloader codes to have. So if you go to that video and watch it, you're going to see the downloader code for all the applications that I just showed you. But the simplest way is for us to use Unlinked. So to use Unlinked, we have to first of all download Unlinked. And to download Unlinked, we have to type in this code. The code is simple. So here is the code 10381. So once you type in this code, you just go ahead and click OK. As you know, if the code is okay, it's just going to go straight away to downloading Unlinked to our Android TV. So this is how you download files with download that. You just go ahead and type in the code. And as I explained, all the 5 applications I just showed you, there are codes for it on my YouTube channel. Just search download that code and you'll see it, or just search how to install this particular application with download that code. Search it on my YouTube channel and you're going to see a video for all the 5 applications. I can follow process for just like this to install the application. So here is it. We have to install the Unlinked to our Android TV. So just click on Unlinked, install, and the application is going to install. Alright, the application has been installed, and once it's installed, please don't go ahead to open it. First of all, click on done. Once you click on done, you come over here and delete the app file from your Android TV. This is just for you to save space on your Android TV. And once that is done, just go back home. Okay, so the Unlinked application has been installed. Here is it. So before I even enter it, I want to remind us of the 5 applications that we want to install. The applications are FlixVision, TVMate, VLC, SmartTube, and Spotfire. So here are the applications. I'm going to be showing a bonus application too. So once you install Unlinked, you just go ahead and launch it. Unlinked is very easy to use. All you have to do is add a library code. Now Unlinked works with library code. Libraries is just categories of applications that someone has compiled together, and to get that library you have to add a code. So the code we're going to be using here is a simple code, and it is called everything. So just come over here and type everything. So here is the library code, everything, as in everything, and you go ahead and type done when you're okay. What is going to happen is that Unlinked is going to launch this library, and we see the applications that are available in this library. I'm going to show you all the 5 applications that I recommended. So click on enter, and we are here. And as you can see, the first application is already showing here. We have TVMate. So we're going to take them in order. So the first application I want to install is FlixVision, and here is it here. So I'm blurring this for purposes of YouTube. So but if you use the code rightly, you're going to see the applications. So the first application is FlixVision. So you come over here, just click on it once. A pop-up is going to show that it helps you install or download the app file. So just click on download. After this pops up, and you are going to download the file and install to your Android TV. So FlixVision is the first application. The next one is TVMate. So here is TVMate. Also, you can install it by just clicking on it once, and you'll be able to install it to your Android TV. The next application is Spotfire for streaming sports. So you go over here. Here is the application Spotfire. You go ahead and click it once, and the application is going to be installed to your Android TV. The next application is VLC. So for us to go to VLC, just scroll down to where we have media players, and behold, you're going to see VLC here. Here's VLC. Just click on it once also, and the application is going to be installed. And the last application that I would recommend is SmartTube. So here's the application. Just click on it once, and the same thing is going to happen. The application is going to be installed to Android TV. So here are the 5 applications I would recommend you to have on your Android TV, and they are SmartTube, VLC, FlixVision, Spotfire, and TVMate. Now, as a bonus application that I want you to have on your Android TV is this application called NordVPN. Now, browsing on the internet can be dangerous, especially if you want to stream movies, stream sports, and the rest. It can be dangerous, and you need an application, a VPN, that will keep you safe on the internet. So NordVPN is the safest VPN on the internet, and for you to use NordVPN, just go over here and download. In the description of this video, I've added a link for you to get a subscription to NordVPN, and you'll be getting up to 83% off on your first subscription and 3 months for free. So if you download NordVPN application from here, just go ahead and create an account on your Android phone, and then log into your NordVPN and start using it and browse safely on your Android TV without fears of anything. So NordVPN is a recommended application you should have on your Android TV. So here are the 5 applications I recommended plus a bonus, and how to install all these applications to your Android TV. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more important videos like this.